Hi guys, my name is Ismail. Do you have an iPhone? And most importantly, do you live in Saudi Arabia? If that's the case, maybe your iPhone does not have a FaceTime camera. Today I'm gonna show you how you can enable FaceTime. Let's get started. Okay, so all you have to do, you have to press settings. If you go through, you can see, you should actually see FaceTime here, but you don't see it here, FaceTime. So we are gonna enable the FaceTime now. The first thing you have to do, go to the general, say software update. It's checking. Okay. So now I can see a new software 11.3 is available. All you have to do is download and install. Put your password in. And now you see download and install, it's still looking for it. So wait for it. When the software is downloaded, we'll do the next steps. So that's gonna take some time. So just wait as it completes. Okay, if you reach to that point, just press continue. And it asks you to accept. And then we can say continue here. Still, it's okay. Here we go. And then we say get started. So here we are. Let's see if we can have access to the FaceTime. So that's an important step. So you will get a carrier setting update from your provider, and don't forget to press update. If you update, you should be able to see FaceTime. So now you can see this message, FaceTime and iMessage. So FaceTime is enabled on your phone now. Okay guys, so now you can see the FaceTime. If you go to settings, and then you just scroll down, and you should be able to see the FaceTime now. Before we could not see it. Now you can make a FaceTime calls to all your friends who are using iPhone. Happy FaceTiming.